guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can let's just turn it off how you can use Sova in Valorant. I'm also going to be showing you guys some lineups on Ascent. So I stand over here, and then as you can see, there's like this corner right here. Take out the recon arrow and then charge it once, like the bounce, and have the charge like 1.5 to 2-ish. If it doesn't show up, that means you have to do around 2, but it's over there. And another way is you can stand over here again, and then have the bounce to 2 times. So right click twice and like point over here. So do that and have the charge to full, and it's going to recon like here ish. So yeah, and then when you go to mid, you can recon here. So have the bounce to 0 and the charge to full, and it's going to recon some people in mid. You can also kind of fake recon here to B. So crouch, so press control and crouch and have it like the recon dart over like here. So get it out and have the bounce to 1 and charge to full. And hopefully it's going to go to B. When I'm in A, let's just see the map first. Okay, it went to B, as you can see. And then if you're in A, this is what my friend taught me. You recon it here. So like have the bounce to 1 and then have the recon at full, like the charge at full. And it's going to recon people on the A site right there. And then to recon A, if you're defending, I like to go here. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. As you can see, there's like this sort of box right here, and you want to try your best to recon it sort of there. So just aim it sort of there, but sometimes I miss and it's like it goes there. So maybe go forward just a little bit and aim it higher, and it'll end up on the box. And then you can also recon when you're attacking right here, and the you hear like people coming from rotating from B. You can recon here. As you can see, there's these 2 lines. There's this dot over there, and you're going to sort of aim at the center of this, so like right here, and then have the bounce at 1 and fully charge it, and hopefully it recons people from up here from heaven, as you can see right there. Okay, now let's go to mid. When you're defending, I'm just going to go to market and stand right here. Take your recon dart out and then have the charge to full speed, and you want to have it like here, like in the middle of these corners, sorry. So do that and have it at full charge, and it's going to recon people going to mid, well, to catwalk, I guess. When I'm in B, there's 2 ways to do it. You can stand here, or here. Have the bounce at 1 and then just point it like at this like wall right here. Have the bounce at 1, and then have the charge at full speed, and it's going to recon up here. You can also do it here. Oops, sorry, I accidentally pressed the alt. So have the bounce at 1 and the charge at full. You can also add shock darts too there. Oops, I meant Q. Like so. And to drone, just press C and like stand behind like a wall where like you're not like seen like this. If you drone here, you're gonna get shot at, but probably drone like around here and like check where people are. And if you see them, press the press like the mouse button thingy. And choose your ult, just press X like so. But you have to like have it when people are nearby. It's good when they're in main and you have the like ult right here. So it hits people like here and they have nowhere to run. So make sure they're already there. So use your recon to find people who are there. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!